Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyid Ali, and today we're going to talk about phrasal verbs. So basically, what are phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs are basically a joining of two or more words that, when aren't together, they mean different things. But when they are together, they give a whole new meaning. Our first example is going to be breakout. As we all know, we are currently going through a situation where we have COVID. Now, breaking out can mean two different things. If we break this word down, we get break and we get the word out. Now we both know what these words mean. Break means breaking something or taking something apart. इसका मतलब ये होगा कि आप किसी चीज़ को तोड़ रहे हैं. और अगर आप दूसरे लफ्ज़ को देखें जो कि है out means basically outside or basically बाहर. If we bring these two words together, we get the word breakout. What breakout is, it defines something spreading too quickly. If I can say that I have pimples or I have acne on my face, मेरे मुंह में बहुत सारे दाने हो रहे हैं, so I can say I have a breakout on my face. If we talk about COVID, I can say there has been a breakout of pandemic all over the countries, all over the world. So that's our first phrasal verb done, breakout. The second word is run into. If we break this word down, we get run and we get into. So we get two words, one being run, which we all know is भागना. अब भागने के साथ मैं लिख रहा हूँ into. Into means किसी चीज़ के अंदर. अब अगर मैं क्या कहते हैं ये सेंटेंस बोलता हूँ I ran into my father. This does not mean कि I ran into my father as in मैं उनसे आगे ठुक गया. इसका मतलब ये है कि मैं उनसे मिल पाया. Run into means finding someone, meeting someone by accident or by chance. That's our second word done. Now the last word is turn down. Turn down को अगर हम लोग अलग अलग करके लिखते हैं तो turn और फिर down मिलता है हम लोग को. So turn usually means घूमना. या फिर क्या कहते हैं टर्न को मैं ऐसे डिफाइन कर सकता हूँ कि मैं खड़ा हूँ तो मैं यूं हो गया तो आई टर्न. अगर हम लोग दूसरे लफ्ज़ को देखें तो इसका मतलब है डाउन. डाउन का मतलब होता है नीचे. अगर हम लोग इन लोगों को अलग अलग देखते हैं तो इसका मतलब होता है घुमाना नीचे. लेकिन ऐसे इसका असली मतलब नहीं है. अगर इन हम लोग को साथ कर देते हैं तो हमारे पास वर्ड मिलता है टर्न डाउन. टर्न डाउन मीन्स rejecting something or saying no to something. For example, if someone tells me I can give you a toffee for 12 rupees, I'll say कि मुझे 1 रुपए की मिल जाएगी. तो I turn down his offer. So these are the three phrasal verbs we were talking about. This has been Sayyid Ali at Lingo Institution. If you liked the video, please share. And if you like to learn English or any other language, you can come over to Lingo and talk to us about your future. Thank you for watching and please share the video.